Do you know who else is here? Me. So perhaps Thomas isn't so innocent.
Well, nobody's perfect. Except for Thomas. He loves his friends.
You can defend him all you like, but you can't change the facts.
Oh my gosh.
Is Thomas an innocent little lamb? Let's let them be the judge of that.
Oh, I can do judging. We are back in the Mind Palace, and that means I can summon anything.
I'm too emotionally unstable for jury duty. Can I be excused?
Oh, come now, Virgil. Jury duty is so much fun.
My butterfingers!
Hopefully, he's better at defending than he is at existing.
I hope so too. I'm a little confused as to what this is all about. Basically, Deceit is trying to prove that you care more about yourself than your friends. But don't worry, kiddo. We'll show him. Okay. Cool. I mean, you've never steered me wrong before, right?
Does everyone understand their parts?
I broke my gavel.
I don't care. Wonderful. Now, could we have the Honorable Justice Roman read off the charges, please?
Oh, well, all right. The State of Thomas Sanders v. Thomas Sanders, in the name and by the authority of the State of Thomas Sanders, Deceit, prosecuting for the State of Thomas Sanders under oath, information makes that Thomas Sanders, count 1, did unlawfully and rudely conspire to waive support of Lee and Mary Lee, who were then and there characterized as friends. Count 2, did unlawfully and with malice aforethought falsely impersonate a better person. Count 3, did unlawfully and surreptitiously prioritize his own desires and designs. Count 4, did willfully and without authorization engage in a scheme to defraud Lee and Mary Lee. Count 5, did leave his dirty underwear all over the gosh darn floor like a gosh darn animal.
I'm sorry, what was that last one?
Yeah, the underwear couldn't be Thomas's. He would never. Objection! I can confirm that Thomas does leave his filthy underwear on the floor after tearing them off the moment his guests leave the house.
That's true.
Objection. Judges don't object.
Objection. Neither can the jury.
Well, that settles it. Thomas is guilty.
No, what do you? The jury decides if he's guilty. What am I doing? I don't care.
Okay, well, that sucks. What does the judge even do?
His best.
I know it's a lot to ask, but just keep reading.
Underwear aside, being so charged, Thomas Sanders, how do you plead?
Not guilty. Not guilty.